god, okay. Hi. I don't like this. Oh, this is so weird. Okay. Hi. My name is London. I am 16 years old. God have mercy on my soul. I know it's already too long. Um. Okay. Okay, let me just start off saying this. This is so awkward because this is awkward for me. I don't like doing this. So, I am a person that procrastinates. I let my negative thoughts get the best of me, and I have very, very, very low self-esteem, and it's been hard, really. And it sucks because not a lot of people know or get it. My parents don't get it. Pretty sure my teachers don't get it. There is something in me, this chemically balanced or it's something that I can't do it. Like, I can't force myself enough to do it. And no matter how high the consequences are, no matter how big of a risk it is, I can't force myself to do it. And that has a big turn. I've gained a lot of weight. I'm 252 pounds and I'm 16'5". That's not good. And I failed all my classes except 2. I'm a slacker. I live in my head and I rethink everything. I have a lot of anxiety. I suck. I am a faker. And it's hard. I don't want to cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry because there's no need for me to cry. And I don't even know if I'm gonna continue with this YouTube thing. Probably won't, but I think this might help. I am out of options, and it's killing me. I'm about to be hopefully a senior. I'm doing 2 schools right now, 2 summer schools, and I'm trying to lose weight, and I'm distracted, and I have ADHD because I just picked up a knife and started cutting up some soap. I'm gonna put the knife down, but I'm it's weird. I have this vision of my head of who people think I am and who I want people to see only the part of me. And, like, you know, you don't want people to see all of you, right? I don't know if that's true or not, but thinking of, like, all the things that might happen if I do this, and I always jump to conclusions. I can never just live in the moment. But I'm gonna cut it off because this is already long. But just, you know, I will be trying to post. I really, really, really want myself to become the person that I visualize in my head. Happier. And not who I am right now. I have to come to truth with myself. Get it together.